So, to Jotun. On this one, I thought I'd try pulling the bevel up much higher, almost a full flat grind. And on this one, I left it right about where I normally leave it. Can't decide which one I like better. This one also ended up with more of a distal taper. Much more, a little longer and more gradual distal taper. Still some stuff to work out. I've still got to go through a few more standing steps, but that has more of a distal taper. That has more of a full spine further up, but I don't know. What do you guys think?